Okay, this is an intermission. Just gonna run through some more pictures of so-called Native Americans, man. Okay, all you gotta do, Google images, man. See that? Now I'm gonna hit some scriptures. Oh my goodness. It's a Sabbath, man. Gotta gird up my loins on that picture right there. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm hit up Deuteronomy 14:2 where we go through these. Okay, it says, "For thou art an holy people unto the Lord thy God, and the Lord hath chosen thee to be a peculiar people unto himself above all nations that are upon the earth." Okay? So, hey man, it's not my words, man. See that? That's Esau, man. See that? It's Esau. I'm gonna hit some more images and some more scriptures now. Alright. Matthew 5:13. Okay, it says, "Ye are the salt of the earth. But if the salt have lost its savor, wherewith shall it be salted? It is thenceforth good for nothing, but to be cast out and to be trodden down, but to be trodden under foot of men." That's right. Because if you're not going to try to find out who you are, man, okay, come back into the truth of who you are, man. Okay, according to the scriptures, according to history, man, then these other nations are going to run you over, man. All right? 1 Peter 2:9. "But ye are a chosen generation, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a peculiar people, that ye should show forth the praises of him who hath called you out of darkness into his marvelous light." And what is darkness? So-called America, man. So-called images of you being slaves and savages and beasts, man. Gangbangers, hoes and bitches. Alright, man? So, it's just a intermission right now, man. I just wanted to go through these images with you real quick, you know. You know, share this with y'all, man. Most brothers in the truth already know about this, you know. Shalom.